Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. How to earn money from Telegram rewards. Hi everyone, in today's video, we're going to talk about how to earn money from Telegram rewards. Telegram introduced one of the most generous reward systems in the history of social media. Telegram channel owners can now receive 50% of the revenue in TON from ads displayed in their channels. Rewards for creators. Telegram users generate over 1 trillion views in channels every month. On this day, owners of public channels with at least 1,000 subscribers can be rewarded with 50% of the revenue from ads displayed in their channels. Channel owners can withdraw the rewards with no fees or reinvest them into Telegram ads, collectible usernames, or premium giveaways. To do this, open Telegram, click on your channel, click on your name at the top right, go to channel settings, click on statistics, and click on monetization to see your channel's monetization stats. Now, if you're a Telegram channel owner and in monetization section, you see your balance is 0 and your channel is not making any money. The thing you should do is you must go to Telegram Advertiser platform or ads.telegram.org. After you register in this platform, you can see here that advertisers can target a specific channel, which means they can choose which channel show ads. So basically, they select just famous channels, bigger channels with a lot of members, and if your channel is small or not famous, you can't receive any money because advertisers will not choose your channel. Unfortunately, Telegram is very different with YouTube or other platform and made for big channel advertisers to target their audience directly. Withdrawals for channel owners will be via fragment. You can find the full terms and conditions here. I will put the link in the description below. TON-based ads. To make this possible, Telegram is introducing a new type of ads which users can purchase with TON coins, a cryptocurrency powered by the TON blockchain. Telegram chose the TON blockchain because it has low fees, high transaction speeds, and holds a record for the number of transactions it can process per second. Anyone can now promote their bot or channel with budgets as low as a handful of TON coins. When creating a Telegram ad, you choose the exact channels where you'd like it to appear, so you have full control over their context. To get started, simply log in on the Telegram ad platform. I'll put the link in the description below. Why Telegram ads are special? Telegram ads are very different from ads on other apps. They are shown only in large public channels. They never appear in your chats, chat lists, or other interfaces. Telegram ads are not based on user data. They depend only on the channel in which you see them, and they directly benefit channel owners. With this latest announcement, Telegram will be joining the likes of YouTube and X, formerly Twitter, both of which offer ad revenue sharing with users. YouTube offers a 55% share of ad revenue to creators in the YouTube Partner Program, while X started offering revenue sharing to users in July 2023. Meta also has been testing a new payout model for its ads on Reels monetization program. Telegram has more than 800 million monthly active users around the world. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Before we end this video, let me introduce to you VidScribe AI. Your business needs more high-quality traffic. Unlock a fresh and high-quality traffic source that 99% of your competition hasn't exploited. Rank on local language SRPs with subtitled and Redub videos in hundreds of languages, all with a click. Automatically subtitle any video in the language you choose. Automatically Redub voice-over videos in the language of your choice. Get local language captions, SRT for your videos for higher rankings. Transcribe, translate, and redub your videos in local languages with VidScribe AI. Get highly accurate videos with best-in-class transcriptions, translations, and redubbing all done for you. Upload videos on auto to YouTube, to Facebook, and even to Instagram and Snapchat through Dropbox. Includes powerful training that shows you how to rank to the top with local languages, and a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get VidScribe AI now. Just go to vidscribe.in. I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.